Struggling with snoring or sleep apnea? A new discovery from a Swedish university shows it's not about weight, alcohol, or your sleeping position. The real culprit? A little-known respiratory nerve issue that makes your throat and tongue muscles relax too much at night, blocking your air and keeping you exhausted. But here's the good news. Scientists have developed a 7-second chew hack that can fix this, helping you sleep through the night without choking or snoring, wake up energized and refreshed, reduce risks for brain and blood pressure issues, restore intimacy and confidence. Thousands are already experiencing life-changing results. Watch this short video now to see how this simple trick can finally help you sleep peacefully again. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to watch and start your 7-second sleep fix tonight.